So, class 7 maths, and this is the chapter number 6, and continue the exercise 6b. There is some problem in the question number 2 in the previous class, so I want to solve the question number 22 once again. Everyone must do the correction on the same. 22nd question. The question is 2 by 5 a with the power 2b multiplied by minus 15 b square ac multiplied by minus 1 by 2 c square. So 2 upon 5 times minus 15 times minus 1 by 2, and then a square into a, b into b square, and c into c square. Now it will be 3 and this. So our answer is 3, a with the power 3, b with the power 3, and c with the power 3. So find the product given below and each case verify the result. Now let us do the verification, LHS and RHS. RHS is 3a square b, and c cube, and the value for a is 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3. So 3 times 1 cube, 2 cube, and 3 cube. So it will be 3 multiplied by 2 times 3 is 8, and 3 times 3 is 27. Now please multiply this. I will solve this first part here. 2 upon 5 a square b multiplied by minus 15 b square ac multiplied by minus 1 by 2 c square. So it will be 2 upon 5 1 square multiplied by 2, then multiplied by minus 15, 2 square into 1 into 3, then minus 1 by 2 into 3 square. Okay. 5 3s are 15, and this 2 is cancelled with this. So in the first portion, now the rest numbers are minus 2, minus 3, and 2 with the power 2 is what? 4 into 3, then minus 3 square is 9. So now multiply it. 3 2s is 6, 6 4s are 24, and this is minus 24 multiplied by minus 27, and here is also 24 multiplied by 27. Now 27 multiplied by 24 for 22, 4 2s are 8 to 10.
614.
Good. 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. 648. 648 is the answer. 648, and here is also 648. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Do the correction in the same. Okay. Do the correction, please. And you can do the rest homework. Question number 22, 23, 24, and 25. Just tick mark this question in your book. 23, 24 and 25 you can do your own. And now copy it fast, then I will move to the next exercise, 6C. And I already told you there is a two revision class for PT8. There will be a two revision class for the PT8, Monday and Friday, Friday and Monday. This week, Friday and Monday. I think your class will not on Tuesday. Yes. Your revision days are Friday, this week Friday, and next week Monday. So you can collect as much as possible. You can collect doubt as much as possible. Now, copied, can I rub this? Copied.
Yes, sir, copied.
And mark the question number 22, 23 and 25 as homework. Now let us start exercise 6C. 6 exercise 6C is the multiplication of monomial and binomial. So Anna, can you please tell me what is monomial and what is binomial?
Some monomial means the question which have one term,
And binomial means?
and binomial means the question which have two terms.
Very nice. Now in exercise 6C, we can multiply monomial by binomial. So now see the question number first. From the main question is find each of the following products. So in question number 1, the question is 4a bracket 3a plus 7b. Okay, so first you have to multiply with this, and then second you have to multiply with this. Means you have to write like this: 4a multiplied by 3a. Don't use the bracket now. Then plus, this number is plus and the sign is also plus here. So 4a multiplied by 7b. So anyone please tell me, if we multiply 4 into 3, what is the answer? So what is the answer for 4a multiplied by 3a? Varsha, Varsha, Varsha is there or not? Ojas, can you please tell me what is the product of 4a multiplied by 3a?
12A.
Square. Clear with you?
Okay, sir.
And this is 28ab. Is it be clear or not? Please check. If we multiply 4 into 3, oh sorry, 4a into 3a, first we multiply the number. So the 4 3 is 12. And when we multiply a into a, this is 1 and 1. So a, 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So you can write it directly. A with the power 2. And now this is a multiplication. So it does not require any like term. So 4 times 7 is 28 and a into b is ab. Simple. So you can write 28ab as the answer. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
I will see. Question number 2. This is the homework from exercise 6C. Everyone mark simultaneously with this. This is a very easy, if you use your brain little bit more, or then you can get your answer very quickly. Now the question number 3. 8a square bracket 2a plus 5b. So first we have to multiply with this and then this. So 8a square multiplied by 2a, and we know that this is a positive number, so we put plus 8a into 5b. So if it is negative, then you can write it minus 5b. Now 8 2s is 16, and a square multiplied by a. Anyone please tell?
A
A
cube.
power 3.
A power 3, very good. Now, or a cube is also right, because power 3 is called cube. Power 2 is called square. So now 8 5s are 40, AB. This is our answer. In this, you have to multiply the constant with constant and variable with variable. If it is a like variable, then you can put the power. Or if there is unlike variable, just you can write like this, AB. Because a and b are the unlike variable, and in the first part a square into a, this is a like, so you can increase the count with the power, like a with the power 2, a with the power 2 multiplied by a with the power 1 is equal to a with the power 3 or a cube. Mark the question number 4 as homework. Now any doubt or clear? I think now just read the question number 5.
A B bracket A square minus B square bracket close.
AB bracket A square minus B square. So first we have to multiply this and then this. So it will be AB times A square, and then plus AB multiplied by minus B square. You have to write down the variable with the sign minus B square. So it will be A cube B, and this, what is the product of this? Sambhav, what is the product
AB
of
cube.
AB into minus B square? Sambhav,
Minus AB cube.
very good. And now this is the answer. Very good, very good. Now this is the question number 6. So question number 6 is your homework now. Is that clear? कि when we multiply the monomial with a binomial, we have to multiply a monomial with first term, then multiply with second term. This is the solution for the monomial, the product of, basically the product of monomial by binomial. Copied? Akriti? Copied?
Sir.
कुछ बोला करो बीच में, आंसर्स वांसर्स बताया करो भाई, कुछ बोलते ही नहीं हो, पता कैसे चलेगा क्लास में हो। और अंकिता, आर यू इन क्लास और नॉट? Anna, you have to send every day. You have to send the absentees every day online class of maths. Clear?
Okay, sir.
अगर नहीं कर सकते हो तो मुझे पहले बता देना. I will give the work to anyone. Now the seventh
Okay,
question.
sir.
Read the seventh question, please, Anna. Read the seventh question, Anna, please. Ankesh, are you in class or not?
No, sir, is not in class.
Oh, what happened with Ankesh? Okay, I will talk today.
Sir, he has been kicked out from the group.
Why?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, okay, I will check. Oh, maybe some reason with the fee, maybe. I don't know what happened. Okay, I will check what is the problem with Ankesh. So now the question is 3 upon 5 m square n
He has not
and
get
in
the employee fee.
bracket m plus 5n. M plus 5n. See, the number is visible. So this is a one term. Complete is a one term. So we multiply with this first and then with the second term. So we can write here 3 upon 5 m square n multiplied by n, and then this is a positive number, so you can write plus here, and 3 upon 5 m square n multiplied by 5n. Then if there is a number which is cancelable, then you can cancel it. Otherwise you can write the product. So in the first term is okay, but in the second term it is cancelable 1. And now the product 3 upon 5, m is 2 and here is this. So Akriti, can you please tell me what is the product of this first term, first two term?
MQ in MQN.
M cube n. Very good. Ankita, can you tell me the product of now this? Now this is the answer. 3m is here because 5 is 5, cancel with 5. So 3m square and n is multiplied with n. It becomes n square. Now see question number 2, 4, 6, 8 is your homework now. Add the homework. Clear? Copied?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now the question number 9. Anyone read the question number 9, please?
7 by 2 x square into 7 by 2 x square bracket 4 by 7 x plus 2 bracket close.
Okay. So the same, this is the complete term and multiply with first term and then multiply with second term. So 7 upon 2 x square multiply with 4 upon 7 x, and this is a positive number, so plus 7 upon 2 x with the power 2 multiplied by 2. Now you see in this 2 is cancelled with this and 7 is cancelled with each other, and now it is 1, it is 1, it is 1. So the rest number is so equal to 2. Now this is x square and x, so it will be x with the power 3 plus 2 and 2 is cancelled. Now this is 7x square. 2x cube plus 7x square is the answer. Clear with everyone? Copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Whose voice is not coming? I think Varsha. I don't know who is. Now the question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 is minus 4x to the power 3 y in bracket x square minus 5y. So see, this is the monomial and this is the negative term. So first multiply with first term and then second term. So it will be minus 4x cube y multiplied by 3x square, then minus 4xy multiplied by, now you see it is minus 5y. So multiply minus 5y. Now just tell me what is the product of the first term, first two term, minus 4x cube y into 3x square.
So minus 12 x with power 4y.
Good. And the product of the second one is
So 20 x square and y square.
क्या 20x square plus क्या minus?
plus 20x
So
y square.
Good. Good, Sambhav. That's right. So now this is the answer. Minus 12x with the power 5y plus, because minus minus is plus, minus 4 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to plus 20. So it's plus 20 and now it is x, so x ही रहेगा and y multiplied by y is y square. Now this is the question number 10. Please copy fast. And everyone know that what is the syllabus for the PT8? Syllabus for the PT8 is exercise 5B and 5C and exercise 6A and exercise 6B. Please note down. Everyone must note down
Sir,
PT8 syllabus. Yes?
minus 12x power 4 होगा.
4 क्यों होगा?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In first term.
So there is x
Oh,
square.
it's x
Answer in first term.
नॉट आंसर. ये क्वेश्चन में हमने गलत लिखा है, तो गलत आंसर में नहीं हुआ.
Yes, sir.
ये मतलब कॉपी रॉन्ग है. अदरवाइज इफ द क्वेश्चन इज minus 4x square y I multiply by this then 5. Answer is very because we copied the wrong question. Now this is the PT8 syllabus. Please check everyone and write down in your notebook. Exercise 5B, exercise 5C, exercise 6A and exercise 6B. Clear with everyone? PT8 syllabus. Please write down the PT syllabus in your home classwork copy also. PT8 syllabus. This is the syllabus for PT8. Exercise 5B and exercise 5C. Then exercise 6A and 6B. Now just read the question number 11. Ojas, can you read the question number 11?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Minus 4 by 27 xyz bracket 9 by 2 x square yz minus 3 by y xyz square bracket close.
Question number 11. It will be minus 4 upon 27 xyz x y z, then 9 upon 2 x square yz, then minus 3 upon 4 xyz square, minus 4 upon 27 xyz, 9 upon 2 x square yz, and minus 3 upon 4 xyz square. Now again this is a complete term, so multiply first with this and then this. So it will be minus 4 upon 27 xyz xyz multiplied by 9 upon 2 x square yz, and then you see this term is negative, so we can write here minus 4 upon 27 xyz, then multiplied by minus 3 upon 4, and this term is also negative, xyz square. Now this is cancelled and this is now. So what is the product of the first term? Minus 2 upon 3, x with the power 3, y with the power 2, z with the power 2. Then 3, 9, 4 and 4. So it will be minus 1 upon plus 1 upon 9 x square y square z power 3. This is the answer now. Clear or any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Copy fast. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone started revision or not?
Yes, sir.
Then you are finding any problem or not?
Yes, sir.
Sambhav? You, Varsha? Is there any problem or not?
Sir, Rajni, Sir, Barsha is not in the class.
Oh, Rajni is there.
Yes, sir. Sir, Rajni is also absent today.
Oh, Rajni is also absent today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So everyone started revision or not? And please collect as much as possible, as much doubt as much possible for me, because there is a 2 revision class that will be on Friday and Monday. So now the question number 12, it's easy, 9t square bracket t plus 7t with the power 3. So this is a one term, and first we multiply this and this. So it will be 9t square multiplied by t plus 9t square multiplied by 7t with the power 3. So Anna, tell me the answer of first two, product of first two terms. 9t square multiplied by t.
Sir, 9 t with the power 3.
Good, very good. And Akriti,
Thank you, sir.
tell me the product
Yes.
of the next two.
So 63 with t with the power 5.
Very good. 63t with the power 5. And this is the answer. Now copy fast. Then 13, the last question we will do. Copied?
Yes, sir. Copied.
Good, good, Kahana, good. Copied, Sambhav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the today's last question is question number 13. Just a moment. Now the question number 13. Read the question, Sambhav. Na square bracket 0.1a minus 0.5b. So this is a term. First we have to multiply with first term, then with the second term. Now this is 10a square multiplied by 0.1a and then plus 10a multiplied by minus 0.5b. So what is the product of the first two? कौन बताएगा? Ojas, tell me the product of first two term.
11a cube.
What? 11? 10
Sir,
multiplied
may I
by,
answer?
please wait. 10 multiplied by 0.1 is equal to 11. Yes, Sambhav, answer please.
1a cube plus 5ab.
Yes, because
Plus minus
because
minus.
when we multiply by 10 into 0.1, you remove the decimal here and cut is 1. And if we multiply 0.5 into 10, then it will be 5 here now. Clear with everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So the answer will
Yes.
be 1a cube, and you see 1 is not necessary to write. So a cube is the answer minus 5ab, and this is the answer. Clear? A cube minus 5ab. 1a cube is not necessary to write. You can write a cube only. Clear?